right?
Yeah.
So he probably figured he could be down the ramp when it was full of snow. But yeah, that's probably what happened. He did what I did earlier,
Yep.
and didn't have another 20 feet to go. Wasn't for the fact that I only had to go 10 feet, I just backed up. But it probably proved easier for me to go through it than to try to back up. But yeah, I understand why the police car is there, because yeah, he's kind of in a really bad spot, because you know, with it all cleared up.
And he's white.
So you're driving along down the off ramp, driving your usual 100 kilometers an hour, and you see the car there.
Huh?
Wait. All the snow.
Yeah. It's a
Overwhelming.
little bit. I think that plow was stuck.
Was it?
Yep, because there's cars behind it.
Nice.
And it's not moving.
Wonderful. It's pretty bad when the plows get
How
stuck.
could a plow get stuck?
I don't know. It's stuck. Obviously, it hit some big snowdrift. Either didn't go through it or lost control and ended up half in the snowbank. And the snowbanks, as you can see, are massive. You hit the snowbanks here and you're stuck in them. So somebody pulls you out. Highways are decent, though.
Huh?
The highway is decent.
Ish. Still don't know if you're going yet.
Nope.
If your brother goes, are you gonna go?
Probably, yeah.
Send me. I want to pick me up. I don't have anybody. I don't hang with Christine much anymore. You can hang out with her bed. You know. If you walk somewhere, I can meet you.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's what I would do.
I really hate winter. I am not a big fan. Not at all. This is gross. Like, oh.
Oh, I'm disagreeing with it. It's way too much snow. Like, to the point where it just becomes too much, right? We haven't been over to Dieppe yet, have we?
What?
We haven't been in Dieppe yet, have we?
No.
Usually the roads are somewhat better in Dieppe, aren't they? Moncton.
Where's the one today?
Over there?
Yeah.
they're
Probably.
competing with Cabela's.
I bet you, yeah, Bass River doesn't care that it's snowing out. They just want money.
No, I could have went to work today if I had to.
I couldn't.
Yeah.
I literally couldn't. Well,
I
I
could-
could if I wanted to crawl through a snowbank.
There was stuff that had to be done today. I even emailed them. I said, if there's anything critical, just call me. Call my cell and I'll do it.
But you know what, though? I couldn't get to work. Literally. I could not get to work. Like,
I don't know,
the road was non-existent.
I don't think I'd done yet.
Nope, probably not.
Oh, we're gonna find out.
Of course we are.
What, you don't want it? I'm not gonna
Well,
go
if
down
they're
there.
well,
I'm
if
not
they're
gonna go.
working on it.
I'm not going to go down there. If one, it's not done, or two, they're working on it.
Well, they are working on it.
Well, maybe they're done working on it now.
But use a blinker.
I was gonna say, he scared me for a second. I'm like, is he gonna go straight or is he gonna turn?